Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to update files in Google Drive without changing the link. This skill is essential for keeping your shared documents up to date while avoiding confusion or broken links for collaborators. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive and locate the file you want to update. Keeping your files organized in one central location makes this step much easier. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. This opens a menu of options, almost like a toolbox for managing your document. Next, it's always a good idea to check the file information. Verifying details ensures you're updating the correct file before moving forward. Now, look for the option called Manage Versions. This powerful feature in Google Drive allows you to upload a new version of a file while keeping the same shared link. Click Manage Versions, then choose Upload New Version. Select the updated file from your computer. Remember, it's best to upload the finalized and accurate version so your collaborators always see the latest information. Once uploaded, the shared link remains exactly the same. But the content is refreshed with your new file, and that's it. Updating files this way ensures everyone always has access to the most recent version without any extra steps. Take a moment to practice this method. It will help you maintain consistency and accuracy in your shared documents. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out future tutorials to continue building your digital skills.